Hi everyone, and welcome to this video introduction to Flipster and the library's digital magazine collection. Today I will be demonstrating using an iPad. For an introduction on how to use Flipster on an Android tablet, please check out our video Getting to Know Flipster on Android. Tap on Flipster to open the app. If you don't already have it, you can download the Flipster app for free from the App Store. Tap on Get Started. Type in Kawartha Lakes and tap Search. Tap on Login next to the first option, which should be Kawartha Lakes Public Library. Enter in your library card number with no spaces and tap Go. You are now in the library's digital magazine collection under the Explore section. Scroll down the page to see all of the digital magazine subscriptions currently held by the library. There's quite a few. The default view is set to show the magazines that have published an issue most recently. To set them to alphabetical order, tap on the down arrow icon in the upper right corner and tap on whichever sorting style you want to use. I'm going to choose A to Z. If you want to read any of the magazines, tap on the magazine cover. You will be given a description of what the magazine is about, as well as access to the most recent issue and all of the magazine's back issues, as you can see below. Tap Download to download the most recent issue, or tap on the blue download icon next to each back issue's publication date. You can tap on multiple copies of a magazine to have them all start downloading at the same time. They do take a moment to download depending on your internet speed. Tap on the green Read button to open up the most recent magazine. When a back issue downloads, it will have a pair of green glasses instead of the download icon, which means you can go ahead and tap that to read it. If you're wanting to borrow more magazines, you can tap Explore at the top of the page to go back to the magazine list. Even if you leave a page while magazines are still downloading, they will continue to download. All downloaded magazines are saved in the My Shelf menu on the bottom of the screen. Tap on My Shelf to open it. Your downloads never expire, and there are no late fees, so you can keep them as long as you like. Tap on any of your downloaded magazines to start reading. You will be brought now to the Read tab. To jump to an article mentioned on the cover, tap on the cover. The articles will be highlighted in yellow. Tap on the article title to be taken right to it. Swipe left and right to flip forward and backward in the magazine. When you close Flipster or open a different magazine, the app remembers where you left off in your previous magazine, so you don't have to worry about losing your spot. And that's it. If you have any questions or need help using Flipster on your iPad or iPhone, please email us at libraryadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca. Thank you, and happy reading.